Hello, I'm Paul, and this is Paul Plays with Fire. Welcome. Today on the show, we're going to be making Carnitas pizza. I know, right? Taco pizza, right? But really, stick with me. I'm from a part of the Midwest that invented taco pizza. And around here, Casey's gas stations sell taco pizza in every small town. They must be doing something right because they sell millions of taco pizzas every year. So I'm going to make taco pizza, but I'm going to be doing it my own way with Carnitas and Chorizo. And we use a cornmeal crust with enchilada sauce and top it with Oaxaca cheese. When it's out of the oven, we'll finish it with cilantro, pickled onions, crema, and a squeeze of lime juice, just like a real taco. That sounds so good. Let's get busy, I'm hungry. Let's start with the crust. We use our Chicago tavern-style pizza crust as a start, and we'll add about 20% cornmeal because I like corn tortillas with my tacos. And then we'll roll out that dough into a pizza shape. Then we'll let that rolled out pizza dough sit on the counter overnight to cure. Curing the crust overnight will give a very crisp crust. To learn more about this thin crust style pizza, watch my Chicago tavern style pizza crust video. I'll put the ingredients and a link on how to make them in the description. And these crusts need to cure for about 24 hours or so we made this yesterday. Earlier today, we also browned and drained the chorizo a bit. I love chorizo, but a little bit goes a long ways. We also reheated some of our leftover carnitas. While we're inside, we also made our pickled red onions by heating a mixture of a 1/4 cup of vinegar and a 1/4 cup of lime juice, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. We then poured that over our sliced onions and let it sit in the fridge for an hour or so. Now that we have all our ingredients assembled, let's make some pizza. Well, our pizza oven has been preheated to about 550 degrees, 550. So we're gonna take we've got our pizza crust. And remember, this is our cured pizza crust that we made the night before by rolling it out and letting it dry on the counter. And we're gonna put some of our enchilada sauce on it. This stuff spreads pretty thin, so that's about the way we're going to leave it. And just like a Chicago tavern style, we're going to go all the way to the edge again. And then we're going to put some chorizo and some carnitas on there. Our carnitas is still in chunks, so we're going to break that up a little bit. Just scatter that around. It's pretty tender, so it breaks up pretty good. And the nice thing is that when that gets in the heat, it'll crisp up on the top like good carnitas should. And then we'll do a little chorizo scattered around. Like I said earlier, a little bit goes a long ways, so. And then we have a little cut up poblano pepper, just a little diced poblano. And then our Oaxaca cheese. And Oaxaca cheese is like, it's Mexican Parmesan, it's also string cheese. So you get all that fun of string cheese and you just kind of scatter it around that way. I shredded some too, but this is funner, I like it this way. We'll put a little more on the top. We're not going to do too cheese heavy on this because we want the other ingredients to shine. Plus we got to leave room for our finishing ingredients. So there we go. That is a pizza, all right. Look at that. That's a taco pizza if I say so. Into the oven we go. And that should be about 7 minutes, I think. We'll see you then. Our pizza is done. Ooh, and it's pretty too. Look at that. That is pretty. Well, it's too hot to eat right now. You know the drill. But we'll cut it in a few minutes here. We got to dress it too, so we'll be right back. Pizza's a thing of beauty. That's just gorgeous. Let's go ahead and cut it and dress it. Nice crunch. Okay, then we're going to put some pickled onions on it. Just made this morning. Not a lot, just a little, just to dress it up. Just add a little zing to it, a little tang. A little crema. Wish me luck. Not too bad. A little fresh cilantro. Just so you know you're eating Mexican. There, now that is a taco pizza. Look at that. Well, I can't wait to take a bite. Well, we made Carnitas pizza, and I think it's cool enough now that I think you could actually eat it without hurting yourself, but it looks really, really good. Oh, I just got to pick out a slice. I choose this one. Boy, that's everything you want in a taco and everything you want in a pizza too. That's really good. That's really good. I gotta admit, my first time making this, I kind of just made it up. Really good. Oops, almost forgot. Put a little squeeze of lime on top of it. I'm sure that'll make it even better. Well, we made Carnitas and Chorizo pizza today, and it was really, really good. I mean, really, really good. Whew, a little zippy too. This has been Paul Plays with Fire. Thanks for watching. Today on the show, we're going to be making Carnitas pizza. I know, right? Taco pizza, really? But stick with me. All I got to do is drive around all day.